Hi guys, Frank here from Build Your Own, and this is my 1994 Chevy Cheyenne C 1500. It's got the 4-inch rough country lift. I've got the 17-inch Vision D window wheels. I've got a brand new bumper, a lot of work. I've got new side mirrors on this truck. I've been doing a lot of work. I got new interior pieces on this truck. I've been doing a lot of work on this truck, right? You see this grill here. You can see this grill. It's surely probably the original grill, and it's looking rough. It looks rough. In another video where I was adjusting this this bumper, replacing some brackets, I showed my replacement LMC grill. So I have an LMC grill. Today's a beautiful day out, and I think today's a great day to break out that replacement grill. We need to paint it because I want to get it black. I already have the spray paint. I have brand new side markers from LMC. I've got brand new turn signals from LMC. I even have a brand new OE Chevy emblem from LMC Truck. So I got all the grill and all its pieces from LMC Truck, and we're going to install it on my truck today. Okay, so here we are in my little shop. Here's the replacement reproduction grill from LMC. It's some shade of gray. This is a lower secondary piece of grill that goes right underneath this grill. I already have a new one on the truck, but I cracked it like right here. This little piece just kind of cracked off. So this was only like either 10. It was no more than $20. I think it was like a $9 piece to get this. So I went ahead and reordered this. These are the bumper corners. These are the corners. These three pieces are all black, but I'm gonna spray paint this. I have some spray paint, some Rust-Oleum 2X. It says it's good for wood, metal, plastic, all that. It's paint and primer. So I've got semi-gloss, and then I've got a clear. And so I don't know if I'm gonna use the clear, but I bought it just in case. And so I've got my paint. So what the plan is, I'm gonna go ahead and paint this grill, put a coat on it, and see how well it matches to these other pieces. If these other pieces, if they don't quite match, then I'm gonna go ahead and paint these other pieces so that when I assemble everything, it looks good, and it's gonna look, I think once I put on the new emblem and we get the new side markers on there, the reflectors, and look how beautiful those lights are. And once we get all this on the front end, it's gonna really clean up that truck. And you know, we already have the new bumper on there that looks great. And then I'm not going to do it today, but this is that lower air dam for the front bumper. I know I need to trim it so those tires don't rub, which is why we won't put it on today. We'll do another episode on that. Okay, so I read the directions, seems straightforward enough. I'm going to shake this can up vigorously, and I'll apply the first coat onto the grill, and then we'll see what it looks like. I know you probably can't tell in the light, but boy, this grill is looking good. This is just the first coat. I haven't really put anything along the top side there. I just kind of went across the top and got underneath here. I'm gonna kind of just let that kind of just dry, but we can see here clearly now that these are definitely two different shades. And so I'm gonna go ahead and paint these fillers. I'm gonna paint that secondary grill. So all this stuff's gonna match. And then with that new grill, it's gonna look awesome. So yeah, we're gonna let this dry a little bit, get these other pieces painted. Okay, so now we can see everything. The grill is painted the semi-gloss black. The secondary grill trim piece is now painted the semi-gloss black. And the corner filler pieces that go on the sides of the grill or on the bumper are now painted semi-gloss black. So all this looks good. When we put this new Chevy logo on there, it's gonna look fantastic. Okay guys, it hasn't been quite an hour. I'm going to put a second coat of semi-gloss on these parts, and then maybe 20 minutes after that, we'll put some clear coat, and then we're just gonna let this stuff dry for a couple of hours. And from everything I've been reading, I can certainly handle it within that time. And we'll get this stuff put back on the truck, or get this stuff put on the truck. It's never been on, so hopefully it goes together without a problem. I guess I should have done some test fitting, but we'll find out as we go along. All right, guys, we've got 2 coats of this semi-gloss Rust-Oleum 2X Ultra Cover paint and primer. It's made for plastics. This is certainly plastic stuff. I think it looks pretty good. Even in this light, you might not be able to tell as much as me, but I think it looks pretty good. I think it looks really, really, really even. So I think we are ready to put a coat of clear coat on. But my first mind tells me let's just do one more coat of black. Let's just do one more coat of black for everything. We'll give that about a half an hour to dry. And then we'll put on a couple of coats of clear, let that dry, and then we'll be ready to install everything and put it on the truck. Okay guys, we've skipped ahead. Obviously you see all the painted pieces out here. I've got 3 coats of semi-gloss on all the pieces and a couple of coats of clear coat. We already went over all that stuff. The bumpers, the old bumpers already removed. I didn't go over that again because I've already done a few videos where I've had to take apart this video or the grill and remove it and the bumper a few times. So if you want to know how to do that, I'll put the link to those videos in the description below. I'll actually put some links to what I think are relevant videos in the description below anyway. So make sure you check out those videos after you watch this one. So here's the deal. I've already put on the brand new lights, the turn signal lights. The reflectors are already installed. I had to use the old hardware. I did not buy the hardware from LMC. I wish I would have. I forgot. The Chevy logo's installed. The only thing I need to put in are the little grommets to screw those lights in. The grommets that go down there to screw these lights in, where the screws go through right here. Again, I didn't get those new. I have old ones. I have 3 and then 1 cracked. I might have a different solution, so we'll see about that. Otherwise, yeah, we'll see how that works. So I've got the original secondary trim piece. I need to take that out. I've already taken the screws out, so I need to get that swapped out, and then I need to take these filler pieces, and those filler pieces go right down. They go right here. So it would have been easier to put those in. It would have been easier to put these in with the bumper gone, but I'm not taking the bumper off. The bumper's not coming off to do that. It is doable without the bumper. You just gotta like twist your fingers around a little bit more. So let me get the secondary grille installed and those filler pieces. Okay, so these little filler pieces I did not put in. You know why? Because they are really hard to do with the bumper in place. And the reality is I'm gonna end up taking this bumper off again when I put that air dam on, when I get that all fitted. So that project, I'll put those on when I do that. So for now, all we need to do is hang this grill back on. I've transferred everything over. I did not buy those grommets. I transferred those grommets over from the old grill, and they're very brittle. Don't make my mistake. If you're doing this job, make sure you buy all new hardware. I didn't buy new hardware, the little screw things that go on those, right? You see them right there. I used the old ones off the old grill. Luckily, all that stuff was still salvageable, so I got lucky on that. So let me go ahead and hang this grill, and you know what? We're gonna be done, actually. Well, there's the grill. Now here's what I'm gonna say about this reproduction aftermarket grill. It didn't just slide right up. I had to massage it and twist it a little bit, and just ever so, but yeah, everything did fit together, as you can see. And boy, the transformation, I think, is dramatic. It looks really, really, really good. Let's pull it out into the sunlight and see what it looks like. Here's the grill in the sunlight, the semi-gloss. I'm not gonna say I did a professional job. You might not be able to tell that it, you know, it looks like it's got some texture on it a little bit, but you know what? This truck's not about being perfect. I just wanna make this truck better than what it was, and that's what I'm doing. And so next we're gonna start getting into this engine and start replacing parts and just making this a good running old truck. And yeah, I'm real happy with this. This looks fantastic. We still need to put the air dam on the bottom, and then when we do that, we'll put the fillers in. So yeah, here's our replacement grille from LMC Truck for my 1994 Chevy Cheyenne C 1500. If you found this video helpful, informative, or entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you've been watching videos and following, you know I've been doing a lot with this truck, and there's a lot more I'm gonna do this truck. We're gonna do some oil, we're gonna take care of some oil leaks here soon, valve cover gaskets, intake manifold gaskets, and then while we're in there, we'll probably do a few other things. And so, yeah, make sure you subscribe so you can follow along. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.